So now the next topic is magnetic field and magnetic field lines due to current in a straight wire. What we have to assume here, we'll take a cardboard. Okay, you can see in this diagram, we'll take a cardboard and we'll make a hole in the cardboard. From that hole, we'll pass a wire. And this wire is then connected to emitter, it is connected to battery, to rheostat and to key. You can see here, the direction of current is from top to bottom. Clear? The direction of current is from top to bottom in this case. Now what actually happens is, when we keep iron filings, here we are sprinkling iron filings. Iron filings you can Google, you will get what actually it is. Here we are sprinkling some iron filings and a compass needle is kept in this cardboard itself. Now what will happen, when this key is closed, the current will flow. It will start flowing from top to bottom. Here if we see particularly, it will flow from top to bottom. Then as Oersted said, because of the moving current, a magnetic field is produced. These iron filings under the influence of magnetic field will arrange themselves in concentric circles. Concentric circles means circles which are having the same center. So they'll start arranging themselves in concentric circles. Now the question will be asked, why these iron filings are arranging themselves in concentric circles? Because they are experiencing a magnetic field due to the current flowing in this conductor. Next, the question which is generally asked in board exams is, how can you increase this, or how can you increase the magnetic field strength here? You can increase it by increasing the current. If the current is increased, what will happen? More and more concentric circles will be formed. And if you want to reverse the direction of these magnetic field lines, what you will do? You will reverse the direction of current. If the direction of current is reversed, the direction of magnetic field lines will also reverse. So here some observations are written that concentric circles will be formed. If the direction of current is reversed, then the direction of deflection of needle will also reverse and the direction of magnetic field lines will also reverse. And if we increase the current, then what will happen? If we increase the current, then what will happen? The density of these concentric circles will increase. More and more concentric circles will be there per unit volume. So you just go through it all. Next is this right hand thumb rule. How can you determine the direction of magnetic field lines? So for this, suppose this is a conducting wire and this is carrying the current. This pencil is a wire carrying current from bottom to top. So this thumb should point in the direction of flow of current. So this is pointing from bottom to top, the current is moving. And when you encircle these fingers, okay, this is encircling this way. So is it clockwise or it is anti-clockwise? Clear? So this is the rule to find out the direction of magnetic field lines. So if it is moving upwards, you can see, if the current is moving upwards, the direction of magnetic field lines will be clockwise or anti-clockwise, you can clearly see. Then here, your next topic.